everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Lizzie B and this is Busy Bee Jewelry, and I did tell you guys that I was going to try to do a couple videos as I was prepping for the craft fair, and I have been doing a lot of prep for that. So I have not had a chance to record a ton of it. Unfortunately, I've been doing a couple shorts to showing kind of what I've got going, but I just wanted to take a minute this morning while I have some time to just show you guys what I have prepared, and yeah, I'd love some feedback on it and just kind of see what I've got going so far. So this is basically my bin of stuff that is ready to go, ready to hang on my little hangers and stuff, and then I've got a lot of stuff over here that I'm sure is driving my husband crazy because it's all over the kitchen of stuff that I'm still trying to put together, get the final touches on and everything, and get it in its final to-go bin. So I'm just gonna go through in this video real quickly all the stuff that, and sorry for the background noise, baby boy is over here in his little truck playing, so you're gonna hear some of his music and stuff, but this is the only time I have to film right now. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I've put together in here, get it a little bit stacked together better as I do that. So I've got a couple of these little necklaces that I've just put in these baggies to keep them separate, because I have a really cool hanger that I'm going to put together later, and then they'll hang on that. Maybe I'll do a little clip in here, I'll insert it, of me putting that together. So I've got a number of those that are those honeycomb shapes. I'm definitely taking my dripping honey necklaces. That's one of the dripping honey ones. Here's another dripping honey necklace. I've got two different chains that I'm using, and I'll be able to show you better on these that are not in the baggies, of those different chains that I got for some of these. There's more dripping honey, more of those honeycomb shape, and then I've got a few of these ink drop petri dish kind of style ones that are in these individual baggies as well. So those are just necklaces by themselves, and then on all of these I've put together sets. Oh, minus this one. This is the only one that's not a set. This is one of those double chain necklaces. I believe I've done a video, or at least a short, on how I do these, so it's all connected in the back. So it looks like you're wearing two necklaces in one. And I kind of like that style. I have one that I made for myself that I wear a lot, and it's nice because the chains don't get all tangled up. So I really like that. Oh, this one is an individual necklace by itself. I don't know why I put it on a paper thing. I might have to stick that in a baggie. Oh, this is the third type of chain though that I'm using, is just the cord. Alright, so here's a set similar to that other one. I know I did a video with these. I love this set. This is the only 3 pieces or whatever, 4 pieces that I have of this kind, but I absolutely love those, so hopefully those do well at the fair, and I will make more if they do. This is the other kind of chain I'm using. It's kind of a round metal chain, and I'll link these below in the comment section. This is the first time I'm using these and the other kind, but I really like them so far. They're pre-made, so they're just saving me that little bit of extra time. All right, I've got a bunch of these, the Petri ones, and then I know you guys saw the video of the metallic earrings, so I just matched all those up. This is just a set of earrings, but they're gonna go on the hanger that needs the little hook. But those again obviously are the Petri dish swirly ink drop ones. Here's another set of those same kind of style earrings, but let me get the light in the right place. I use the metallic ink on these. I absolutely love those. One more set of just earrings, which are the raindrop sparkly blue earrings. Those are so fun. Yeah, baby boy is talking up a storm. All right, and then here's another one of those ink drop swirl ones, and I did the gold metallic earrings with that. Oh, I love these. So these were obviously the ink swirl or ink flowers with the metallic ink, and I just paired these larger earrings with some smaller earrings for people who, you know, maybe have double pierced ears or just would like, you know, a smaller set for one day and a larger set for another day, but I thought they matched so well, so I love that set. Here's another one with the pink. I love this one. I tried to kind of do like similar shapes paired together on some of them, and then some of them, like that one, are like the opposite shapes, which I think is also cool. Ooh, I'm kind of calling this one like my earth set, because I just feel like these pendants with that color combo look like a little globe. I think they're just so cool, and I love how this blue metallic ink came out on those small earrings. I think that's so fun. I'll just pull this one out of kind of the middle. Here's another one that's like that, only on a silver chain, and I did match up obviously the gold and silver on the earring backs as well, and I just use the E6000 to attach my earring backs onto the earrings. I know some people have said like, well, why don't you just use the UV resin? I have used the UV resin to attach them, but I don't know, the E6000, I like it because it takes a little bit for it to dry, so if I have something like a little off, I can adjust it as it's drying. So I like that. That's just how I've done it, and it works for me, so that's what I do. Here's another one of those ink swirls with some sparkly earrings. I think that set's so fun, and this has the silver chain that is more of that round chain style, which I think is cool. Oh, here's another one from the Earth set, but I paired it with these sparkly raindrop earrings. So this is like my Earth Rain combo. Here's another one of the Earth pendants that has a little smudge on it. But I paired this one with these black sparkling earrings. There's like kind of just some different colors of sparkle in there, which I think really match well. There's definitely a video out there of me making those. Ooh, this is one of my favorites. It almost falls into that earth color category, but it's slightly different, and this one obviously was with the metallic inks when I made that pendant. Oh, and same with these connectors. I think they're called veils, if I'm remembering correctly. I attached those with the E6000 as well. And same, you could use UV resin to attach those. This one's fun. It's a little bit of a smaller pendant, but I really like the colors in that one. Paired it with these green metallic earrings. Try to get through this before baby boy gets too fussy. Oh, this one's definitely a fun one. I think that my stepdaughter might have made this pendant, so I am gonna be, you know, giving her a little bit of the money from both of my daughters. My daughter and you know, both of them helped me make some stuff, and they're gonna come and help out at the craft fair, so they'll get a little money from what we sell there too. Keep track of kind of what she made, and she thought that was so fun that I could sell some of her stuff. I think this is another one she might have done. Love the pink, and then paired it with the pink metallic. Ooh, this one is so cool. This is one of the first ones I put together the other day, and I did post a short of this one. Whoop! It's hanging a little long. I need to kind of adjust it and pull it up on its little hanger thing here, but I love it paired with that matching shape on the earrings. I think that was so fun. Just a few more to go. Oh, here's another one that's an earring set. Love these square ones. I decided to hang the bales from the corners because I just thought that was a really cool look, and then just paired it with these smaller square you know, stud earrings. That's one of my favorite sets. I absolutely love that one. Oh yeah, this one too. I love this pendant. It's one of the smaller ones, but it came out really cool, and I've got it paired with those black sparkly earrings. Oh, do you want to come help with the rest of the video? Alright, I had to grab baby boy. He's over here helping out with the video. Okay, I think we're on this one. So here is another one that's kind of in that earthy looking category. Again, with the metallic. Oh, he's trying to grab the earrings. I know, those are pretty, huh, Bubs? Just a couple more here. This one with kind of the purple swirls. Paired it with the gold. I really like that one. Oh, this one's super fun. Very unique. The square with the black and the yellow. And paired it with the square sparkly earrings. I feel like this one's kind of similar, but a little brighter and round. I did pair it with the square earrings, but I thought that was a fun combo. And last one in my bin here is the pink flower, and I paired it with these matching pink earrings here. So that is everything that I have absolutely done for the craft fair so far. I've got a bunch more here that's very close to being done, and a few more things that I need to add, you know, the loops and all that, and get it on some chains. So I've got about 5 days left to get ready. I think I'll have everything good to go. I'm super excited, and I will keep showing you guys some more. Yes, say hi. I'll keep showing everybody here kind of what I'm doing to get ready, and I'll definitely be doing some videos at the craft fair to show you guys how it turns out. So thank you so much for watching. Baby boy says like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!